we just completely made this exhaust system. It's actually really cool. It's super loud. 3, 2, 1. So we just completely welded this whole exhaust system up. Don't know why, just for fun. We couldn't get it exactly where we wanted it, so we did this. It's actually really cool and super loud, and it's fun. So let's start it up real quick. I got a GoPro, I just don't have it here.
Well, that's the bad thing about a GoPro. Whenever you need it, you don't got it.
Pretty much.
Are we recording now?
Yeah. Oh, good. Alright, hang on. Let me get this center.
That'd been bad. Blooper's real. Take 2. Not professional YouTubers yet.
See, that is negative. It is not wanting to work, and you are positive.
No, I'm not pregnant.
Oh, man. Ready? Oh, crap. This isn't gonna work. Yeah, just go over to the side. It'll be good.
Then I'll have flames
Just
shooting in my face.
Just let me start it up real quick. Go get the thing.
That was not good.
Let's try this again.
No, I think we just set the intake on fire.
Oh, what we did.
Crap! This has turned into a fail video.
Thank you. Ah, we're good. You don't even have an air filter in this?
No!
I was like, oh crap, we're setting it. Alright, let's go again.